Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Muhammad Aidil Ashraf bin Muhammad Rosdi and I'm student of Engineering Foundations from University Technology Mara, UITM. And today, as the Science Computer CSC Assignments of Community Service, I'm gonna show you how to use Google Sheets properly. Now, let's go for the reference and the situations given. Hey guys, now let's start the tutorial on how to use Google Sheets. First thing first is what you need to do. You need to open up the Google Chrome and then you need to make sure that your Google Chrome has been synced to your Google account. After that, you need to find the 9 dots here, which is the Google Apps. Then you just click it and you can see there are many various types of apps here. You just scroll it down to find the Google Sheets and just click it and it will open up to you. In the Google Spreadsheet, there are many various types of the template such as the blank one, the invoice, to-do list, annual budget, monthly budget, calendar, and the other various types of the template that you can use here. Before we start, in the main menu, also there are the other Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, and the Google Forms. For today, I'm gonna show you how to use the functions in the Google Sheets using the blank spreadsheets only. We just click it and it will open it to you. For the blank one, I will show you how to use the function based on the two tasks, which is the simple one and the complex one. Alright, as you can see here, there are many white blank box here. Each of the blank box has their own name. For example, I put it here. In the column B, row number 2, the name of the box here is B2. But here, in the column E, row number 4, the name of the box is E4. On the top of the Google Spreadsheet, there are many various types of the function that you can use, but for today, I only use the functions based on the situations given. The situation is the comparison between 2019 and 2018 SPM candidates based on the category below. Alright, as you can see here, there are many boxes of each word. What we need to do is we just combine it as well to be the one box only. We just drag it to the right and go to the format and need to find the merge cell, which is merge all and merge horizontally. We just click the merge horizontally and as you can see, only the one box. Just make the border here. Okay. For the data, I already collect the data here in the Google Docs. In the Google Docs, I already calculate the data based on the situations that we have discussed right now. Alright, for the data, I put the data here to calculate the comparison between 2019 and 2018 candidates. Right, just copy and paste it here. Alright, for the first one, for the number, there are two types, the number and the number of candidates. The percentage and the difference of the percentage between 2019 and 2018. You need to fill the blank based on the functions that we can use for today. Let's start with the number. Number, we can just use the 1 and 2. Right. Let's say you have the 100 and so on the numbers. You don't need to calculate until the end of the number. What you need to do is you just calculate it automatically. Just click the number 1 and drag it until the number 2. As you can see here, the blue box here, just click and drag it until the number of row number 12 and automatically calculate it to you. How to calculate the percentage? The percentage is the number of the candidates over the total of the candidates of obtained the SPM multiplied by 100. Here you can use the two ways, which is the manual and the automatically calculated to you. For today, I will show you how to use the automatically calculation using the function in the Google Sheet, which is you just put the equal, just put the code of the box, just create it, which is the F7 over the total of the candidates in 2019, which is 416,416 candidates multiplied by 100. Just enter it and the percentage will automatically turn it to you. You just click the just click it and drag it down and it will automatically calculate it to you to all the candidates category until the percentage end. Alright, as you can see here, the percentage we can use basically only two decimal places. You can change the decimal places here, which is we want to increase the decimal places or decrease decimal places. For now, we decrease decimal places, only two decimal places in the percentage. Just click it. Okay, now let's turn up the only two decimal places. What about percentage in 2019? It's just the same. We just put the equal and click the code of the box over the number of the candidate, which is 421,706 candidates multiply by 100. Just enter it to you. Just drag it down as usual and change the decimal places. Now let's finish. Then next is how to find the total difference between the percentage 2019 and 2018. Just make a simple one. Just put the equal. Just put a box here minus here minus in percentage in 2018 and just put the enter and it will automatically calculate it to you. Just drag it down and as you can see is the percentage total difference based on 2019 and 2018 of the SPM candidates. And we just make it as normal way. Just put a box and you just throw away the box and then we touch up the box to make sure that they're perfect. Done. Right? Okay, now right, last one. Alright, now this is the simple one. Just put the color of every box here, here. Let's say I put the yellow one and this put the yellow and also I'll put this as a yellow one. Alright, for the title, for the based on this subject, I'll put the blue one, and for the last one I'll put this one. Alright, this is the simple way how to use the function in every Google Sheets. Now let me show you how to use the function in the complex one. What you need to do is just go to the plus add sheet here, add, and then here with the blank one, and this we just now use this comparison, and we also use the comparison but in different situations. But now is we use the comparison between the examination comparison of the examination results between Yasmin and Haikal. So click enter. Alright, we just put the make sure that is the in the merge horizontally to be the only one box here. For the data, I already also collect the data here. This is the result and the subject of the examination result between these two people. Right, just paste here. Alright, now this is the grade of the examination that they take. Just copy and just paste it here. Yes. Alright. As you can see, the subject that take into every examination, the marks, the assignment marks, the grade of each people with Yasmin and the Haikal. What you need to do in this comparison is, for the function, we can use the if function, plus function, and the sum function to find the grade and the marks and the assignment marks in every member of this comparison. For the first one is just complete the table 1 and 2 for just now. Just click 1 and drag to 2, then drag it all, automatically click it for you. For the assignment marks is 5%. We can calculate it like this. We just put the equal, put the marks of the assignment, just 5 marks, and plus it with the marks that have in the every subject, such as Bahasa Melayu until the physics one. Just click and the enter, and will automatically calculate it to you. You just drag it down, and as you can see, automatically calculated it to you from the start until the end. Also with the Haikal, we can use it, calculate it, use it as well, which is we put the equal 5% plus, just click the box and enter, and just drag it as well. Alright, now for the complex one is how to find the grade. There are two options, which is the manually and the complex one. For now, I will teach you how to use the if function based on the percentage grade. As you can see here, 19 to 100 will be A, 18 to 89 will be A minus, 70 and 7 to 79 will be the plus, and until the 40 and 44 to be the E. Grade. Right, now to find the grade, automatically you can use the if function using the equal, if, bracket, open bracket, and make sure that you put this as the main character. After this main character, automatically the other will be follow the functions. D4 greater than 89 plus, comma. Why I put 89? It is because after 89, we will turn it to 90 to 100, which is we will turn to A grade. Then we put a comma. After that, we just keep repeating the same. If, open bracket, D4 greater than 79, which means it is a, what we get? We will get A minus. Then just close it, comma. We just keep repeating the same. If, open bracket, D4 greater than 69, comma, and then put the result is B plus. comma, and the comma, and if D4 again greater than 59, comma, just will get the B, solid only. Just this and the comma, and you just keep repeating the result until the E. Great, I'll just copy it from my data. Just paste it here. After that, you just enter and the grade will automatically calculate it to you. See the D4, how to use about the D5, D6 and so on. You just click it here and click and to drag it until the end and automatically calculate it to you. Same to this result to calculate the grade. Equal, I repeat it again, if open bracket, put the code of the box G4 greater than 89, comma, that will be got A, comma, again, if G4 greater than 79, comma, which means you got the A minus. If open bracket again, G4 greater than 69, comma, got is B plus. Just copy it from the data that I have. Copy it and just paste it here. Right, as you can see, there are two types. We just let it one and just enter and the grade will be turned out. Just drag it as well and it's turn it to you. Okay, now let's put the border as well. Okay, now let's format and merge this again. Right, after that put the bracket. Alright, now let's do, based on the data that have been collected, let's make a chart between the data that have been given, such as we just copied it at all, we just copied it except the number, which because we don't need it. Just insert and go to chart and just click it, and automatically the data of the charts have been shown in the spreadsheets below. Right, in the data there are many type of chart here. As you can see, the line chart, the array chart, column chart, bar chart, pie chart, and so on. As you can see here, what I'm gonna use today is I remove this cost. I only want to see the high cost data first. We go to this. As you can see, the suggested account of high cost data grade. As you can see, show the high cost grade of data. What about Yasmin? Right, I just insert it as well. You just copy it again, insert chart, and go and remove about this data and go to the column chart, and it shows us the Yasmin versus the subject. As you can see, is the bar chart here. How to change it as well to be the pie chart? Just go to the chart type and just change it as well. Right, now it should change it to you. Now is the comparison between the chart of the Yasmin and the Haikal's grade data. Okay, the last one, just touch up it as well. How to touch up it? Just make sure that it's in the center. Go to the assist, make sure it's the center one. And for the color, I just put it as the green one, and this one I'll put this one. Right, this also be the same. Alright, now that is the tutorial how to use the Google Spreadsheet using the functions given. I hope that my tutorial today can help you to use the Google Spreadsheet as well. That's all from me. Thank you.